I got a package now from where? From Temu. I don't know how they call her. This one, I hope I don't mother the name, but it's Temu. Shopping like a billion, like they say. Although people are always discouraged, I used to see some bad reviews on Temu that this one, that one, that their delivery didn't come, or they say they order some things that they don't get down to Nigeria for them, or they order, they get it, but it's not what they ordered. You get? So I said, okay, let me still try them. I didn't really order much though, guys. I didn't really order much though, so let me still try if they are really good. But the same way I saw some bad reviews, I've seen good ones. So people, a lot of people on social media are really great their products, be very nice. So I'm going to be doing an unboxing. I just got some really few things, so I'll be showing you guys here on this video. So unbox with me, guys. Let's see what I just got the delivery now. So this is it's sealed, so I want to tear it up now so you can see what's inside. Okay guys, and I've opened the bag, so let's see what's inside. So what is this? Jeez, this is way too small. This is what I got, guys. See, you can see this. I got a mini light. I don't know, I'll be showing the clips, this thing in the, so let's see. I'm plugging it now to my phone, guys. This thing is way too small. They call it phone smart lit full light. See, when you're seeing it on that, this thing is big. It looks big, but it's small, and it came with a charger, kind of a mini charger to charge it. I just placed it on my phone and it gave it a lot of more lighting, though it's bright but it's small. That thing I got here is they call it a mini sealing machine. It's for, you know, maybe if you open anything like biscuits and you're not ready, maybe you don't want to eat anymore, you can seal it up using this. Because this is the way it looks like. Yes, think here you put battery here. Look at it, this is the way it came. It's called a sealing machine. Okay, so this thought I got again, kind of a mini spatula, kind of for sealing the edges of your cake, like for icing. If you want to do some buttercream icing to, you know, make it smooth. That's what I got. Okay, so what else is here again? Guys, this is small compared to what I saw, guys. So small. This is another spatula, kind of a mini spatula now for turning things, but it's small. I think it's gonna be bigger than this, but it's way small. And last but not the least, earrings. I got this. It looks like. So these are all the things I got, guys. What review will I be giving them? Out of all the things I got, I'll give them an 8/10, because voila, most of their things are quite small. Like this light, when you are advised, whenever you're getting things from Temu, please, anything you see that is so captured so big, they're not as big as it is, though, because they are way small. When I mean they are way too small, they are small actually. So they are good though, but check out reviews. Like this light is good. It's small, but it's okay. It's portable. Like it's kind of a portable light where you can carry. Like you can see now, this is without the light. You get? Now I want to fix in the light. Now you see, with the light now I want to put in the light. Now you see, now it's with the light. Now you can see there's a difference between the lights and without the light. So it's kind of it's a good buy for me, and for the price it's well okay. It's okay. I buy it, is okay, and like their product is okay. You know, people are revealing that most of their product they get either it comes very small and small. Most of the times why it's like that, you see, is that you can't get something for 3,000 naira and you expect it to be very big. It's not going to be big. Or you see something of 1,000 plus and expect it to be big as well. It's not still going to be big, guys. No. So whatever you're buying, check about the price, check the pricing. Anything you're seeing on the smaller range of price, it will definitely be small. Like this thing, this something, it was going for I think 3,000 plus something. So there was no way it's going to be very big, and I knew that it's not going to be big. I know, and even from the review, I knew it was not going to be big, but it's really worth it. You can clip it to your phone and do your videos. You want to do your videos, you do your video, vlog, sit down video. It's quite bright. I won't lie. It's okay. It's not bad. It's not bad like that. Not bad like that. It's okay. So that's all we have for today. So if you ask me if I'm going to be shopping more from them, I think I will. So then I will be shopping from them quite, yes, because all the things I really ordered was what I got. I won't lie. All the things I got everything I ordered was what I got. It came in, and it came in much more earlier when I got it. They said it was arriving 11th of May, and it came in 6th of May. I got this package 6th of May. As when I'm making this video today, 6th of May. So it's well, this good. So guys, ask for advice. If you could get it, you can try them products. It's nice, it's okay, but before you order from them, please make sure to check out their review. Check out the review their products. Check out the review. People that have gotten, check their recommendation on the video. If it is not something you can get, you look for somewhere else. Look for good recommendations on the product before you go and buy them. You get, because most of their things might appear big when you see them at the picture, but when you see them in the physical, it's small. It is small. You don't expect to buy a lead light for 5,000 naira, 3,000 naira, and expect it to be big. It will be a bit small. Like this light now, this mini light I got it for 3,000 plus, and it was quite small. So it's what they buy. You get, it's going to help me in my filming of most of my videos, because that's what I wanted for now. So I advise you to shop on Temu. You can really rely on their product. I was skeptical about when I was ordering these things, so I was like, and I said, let me just order some things, let me just make it something, because everything I ordered was around 15,000. All these things I ordered like this was around 15,000 naira. Because I said I don't want to go and order above my budget, and I've never tried their product before. I never got anything. This is my first time. I said, let me try first before I say, okay, if I'm going to go for it or not. So if I'm definitely going to try them next time. Yes. So guys, I think I'll be seeing you all later. So these are all I have from Temu. So see you all. Bye.